Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Now read the assertion and reason. So assertion is, a simple pendulum is taken to a planet of mass and radius 4 times and 2 times respectively than the Earth. The time period of the pendulum remains same on Earth and the planet. So assertion says that when a pendulum is taken to a planet of mass m dash is equal to 4 times mass of the Earth and radius r dash is equal to twice the radius of Earth. So the time period remains same on Earth and planet. So we have to check the time period. Now first calculate the acceleration due to gravity. Now acceleration due to gravity g dash at that planet is g into 4m mass divided by r dash square, that is 4r square. So 4 cancels, gm by r square. So gm by r square is equal to g. So the acceleration due to gravity is same on both the planet. Now we know the formula for time period, t is equal to 2 pi root over L by g. So g is same both on both the planet and Earth, so the time period is same. So assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Now find the reason. The mass of the pendulum remains unchanged at Earth and other planet and the other planet. So the mass of the pendulum remains unchanged. So reason is correct. So the reason R is correct, but it cannot explain the assertion. So both assertion A and reasons are independently correct, but reason cannot explain the assertion. So in the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Yes, this is the correct. A is true but R is false. No, both are true. A is false, R is true. No, both are true. A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So R is not the correct explanation. So but R is not the correct explanation. So option 1, that is both A and R are true. That is the time period is same on Earth and planet and mass is same on both the planets, but the reason does not explain the assertion. So option 1 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.